Hi everyone, and welcome to Royce's Maximising Value tip. When it comes to selling your home, first impressions truly matter, and one of the most powerful tools to influence that first impression? Colour. In fact, multiple studies have shown that colour isn't just about style. It can directly influence buyer emotions, perception of space, and even the perceived value of your home. Let's look at the data. Zillow's 2023 colour report found that homes with light blue or slate grey walls in living areas sold for up to $5,000 more than similar homes with plain white or bold dark walls. Why? These colours create a calming, clean and modern feel which buyers are naturally drawn to. In the kitchen, homes with soft blue or grey tones sold for an average of $1,800 more than those with bold colours like red or yellow, which can feel overwhelming or outdated. Here's why colours matter psychologically. Cool tones like light blue, grey and soft greens create feelings of calm, trust and spaciousness. Warm tones like beige, taupe and soft whites create warmth and comfort, helping buyers imagine living there. On the other hand, bold or highly personalised colours like deep red, purple or bright yellow can alienate buyers, making the space feel more about you and them. If you're preparing your home for sale, consider repainting bold or dark walls with neutral, buyer-friendly colours. It's one of the simplest and most affordable updates you can do, and it often leads to a higher sale price and helps your home sell faster. Remember, buyers make decisions emotionally in the first 30 seconds of entering a home. Colour plays a silent but powerful role in shaping that emotion. So next time you wonder if paint colour matters, it absolutely does. Thanks for watching today's tip. For more insights on maximising your property's value, subscribe to Royce's Maximising Value tip.